flood warning for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, until 8 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Morgantown, Waynesburg, Westover, Star City, California, Masontown, Brownsville, Fredericktown, Millsboro, Jeffersonboro, Fairdale, Point Marion, Granville, Cassville, Brookhaven, Isabella, Rogersville, West Brownsville, Smithfield, Deemston, and Demaccolin. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 2 and 10. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 21, and between mile markers 22 and 23. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 150 and 160. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.